Hello friend, in this video we will discuss the safety rating of the cars for 2022. Okay, so let's start the video. So in this video we will briefly we will discuss about the cars rating. Okay, so in the first slide you can see that the number of vehicles are there. Some of the EV versions also there in this category of the car, and the safety rating and the ex showroom price. Okay, so for Tata Nexons we have the 5-star rating from the global new car assessment program. So they have given the 5-star rating for the Tata Nexon, also for the Tata Punch and Mahindra XUV 700 5-star rating, for also for Mahindra XU 300 5-star rating, and Tata Altroz also got the 5-star rating from the global new car assessment program. Okay, so first, so this is the Tata Nexon and it comes with the 5-star rating for adult occupant and 3-star rating for the child occupant. So the safety rating is very important as per the safety concern, and here in this table you can see the specification of the cars. Okay, so the Mahindra XUV 700, it comes with a 5-star rating for the adult occupant protection and 4-star rating for the child. And in the Tata Punch, so it is also comes with a 5-star rating for the adult occupant and 4-star rating for the child occupant. Tata Tiger and Tata Tiger EV. So there are two versions in that. EV versions also available, and it comes with a 4-star rating from the global NCAP. Okay, and 3-star rating for the child occupant. And you can see the specification. And for the Tata Renault, for the Renault Tigers, it comes with 4-star rating, safety rating, and 3-star for the child occupant protection. Mahindra Thar, so it is a very beautiful car, and it comes with the 4-star rating, safety rating for the adult, and a 4-star rating for the child occupant. And Mahindra XUV 300, it comes with a 5-star safety rating for the adult and 4-star safety rating for the child. Tata Altroz, so Tata Altroz also comes with a 5-star safety rating for the adult occupant and 3-star rating for the child occupant. Next is a Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. It comes with a 4-star rating and 2-star rating for the child. And Mahindra Marazzo is comes with a 4-star rating for the adult and 2-star rating for the child occupant. And the Toyota Urban Cruiser, it comes with a 4-star rating for the adult and 3-star rating for the child. And the Honda City 4th generation, it comes with a 4-star rating for the adult as well as for the child occupant. Honda Jazz, it comes with a 4-star safety rating for the adult and 3-star for the child occupant. And the last one is the Renault Kiger. It comes with a 4-star safety rating for the adult occupant and a 2-star rating for the child occupant. And Nissan, sorry, this one is the Nissan Magnet. It comes with a 4-star rating and for the adult and 2-star rating for the child occupant. Tata Tiago. So this is a 4-star rating for adult and 3-star rating for the child occupant.